Welcome everyone to episode 14 of the Green Regimen series. Today, we are going to introduce you to West Valley rice, also known as sago noodles. This humble grain has some surprisingly beneficial effects. Let's explore it together. West Valley rice is a traditional Thai food. It's especially beloved in the southern regions of Thailand. It's made from processed natural rice flour. It has a semi-transparent white appearance similar to transparent white rice noodles. The process of making West Valley rice is relatively simple. First, rice is ground into rice flour. Then, the rice flour is mixed with water until it forms a thin batter. Next, the batter is poured into a steamer or flat pan. It's steamed or fried at high heat for a few minutes. This solidifies it into thin sheets. After the sheets cool down, they are cut into thin, elongated strips. And that's how you get West Valley rice. West Valley rice has a soft texture and a unique chewiness. Its texture is similar to Korean cold noodles or Japanese ramen. It can be used to make various traditional Thai dishes. The most common is Thai-style cold rice noodle salad. In this dish, West Valley rice is usually mixed with fresh vegetables, spices, sauce, and meat or seafood, creating a refreshing and delicious dish. In addition to cold rice noodle salad, West Valley rice can also be used to make noodle soups, stir-fried noodles, and deep-fried meatballs, among other dishes. Its uses are quite versatile and it pairs well with other ingredients, suitable for people with various tastes. In summary, West Valley rice, with its unique texture, is a Thai food, widely enjoyed in the southern regions of Thailand, and an essential part of Thai culinary culture. Now, let's learn about the medicinal properties of West Valley rice in Chinese dietary therapy. West Valley rice has a sweet taste, it's neutral, mild, and completely safe. It's not just delicious, it's also a form of medicinal food. West Valley rice has the effect of warming the middle and strengthening the spleen, making it particularly suitable for those with weak spleen and stomach, often experiencing indigestion. And it also works wonders for coughs caused by lung diseases and constipation issues. You can cook it with other herbs like gorgon fruit and Chinese yam. In a nutshell, West Valley rice is a highly beneficial grain. It's not only delicious but also has a rich history in medicinal cuisine. Whether you want to improve digestion or address some lung issues, it can be your healthy companion. Thank you for watching this episode of Green Regimen. Remember, the medicinal value of ingredients depends on individual circumstances. If you have specific health issues or are on long-term medication, please consult a doctor before trying new recipes. We hope you enjoy this beneficial and healthy West Valley rice, and we look forward to you discovering more delicious secrets about grains in the next episode. Thank you for watching. See you next time.